to inaugurator of today's seminar to come over to the dais. He is Honorable Minister of Transport Assam, and I request Dr. B.K. Gohai, Chairman of Organizing Committee, to escort him to the dais. I also request Gohai sir to take his chair, sir. Next, I request His Excellency Mr. Ambassador of Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi, Mr. Kreet Kraichiti, to come over to the dais, and I request Dr. B.K. Gohai sir to escort him to the dais. Please, sir. Next, I request Sri Chona Main, Honorable Minister of Public Health Engineering, Arunachal Pradesh, to come over to the dais. Please, sir. Next, I request His Excellency Mr. Sapsin Simply, Deputy Consul General, Royal Thai Embassy, Kolkata, to come over to the dais, please. Next, I request Mrs. Ambassador, Mrs. K. Kraichiti, to come over to the dais, please. Please, madam. Please, sir. Now I request Dr. Hemaprabha Soikia, Honorable Chairman, Assam Tourism Development Corporation, to please come over to the dais. Dr. Gohai sir is escorting Madam to the dais. May I now request Mr. Anup Phukon, Member of Legislative Assembly Assam, to come over to the dais. Now I request Chairman of Organizing Committee, Dr. B.K. Gohai sir, to take his seat, and our Chairman of Sukhafa International, Dr. Phukon sir, to take over his seat. Next, we proceed to felicitate our honored guests and delegates one by one. First of all, I request to felicitate our Honorable Deputy Speaker and Chairperson of today's inaugural ceremony, Srimati Pranati Phukon, with a Sarang Sadar and a bouquet. Next, we want to felicitate Sri Chandan Brahma, Honorable Minister of Transport, etc., Assam. Now, we wish to felicitate His Excellency Mr. Ambassador, Royal Thai Embassy, New Delhi, Mr. Kreet Kraichiti. Next, we wish to felicitate Sri Chona Main, Honorable Minister of Public Health Engineering, etc., Arunachal Pradesh. Now we wish to felicitate His Excellency Mr. Sapsin Simply, Deputy Consul General, Royal Thai Embassy, Kolkata. Sorry, this is not Royal Thai Embassy. This is the Consulate at Calcutta, Consulate for Thailand at Calcutta. Now we wish to felicitate Mrs. Ambassador, Mrs. K. Kaichit. Now we wish to felicitate Sri Pranab Gogoi, Honorable Minister, Law, Handloom, Textiles, etc., Assam. Now we wish to felicitate Dr. Hemaprabha Soikia, Honorable Chairman, Assam Tourism Development Corporation. Next, we wish to felicitate Sri Anup Phukon, Member of Legislative Assembly, Assam. Now we wish to felicitate Chairman of Organizing Committee, Dr. B.K. Guhai, with a Pulam Gamusa and a bouquet. Not Pulam Gamusa, Seleng. Now I wish to felicitate my chairman, Dr. J.M. Phukon, with a Seleng Sador and a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now, is being organized by Sukafa International or Saolung Sukafa International Foundation, as you already know it. This is only a year-old organization, and it is 15 days is there to complete the first year of it. And this organization is founded to propagate the ideals, the vision of Saolung Sukafa, the first Thai king who has established the Thai kingdom at this part of land. He came from Mung Mao at southern China. So now I wish to light the lamp in front of his portrait. I request today's chairperson, Mrs. Pranoti Phukon, to light the lamp, and I also request our Honorable Minister Chandran Bahma, Chonamen, His Excellency Mr. Ambassador, and our Chairman J.M. Phukon, and Mr. Pranab Gogoi, our Minister Sir, and our Chairman Organizing Committee to accompany in lighting the lamp.